Hey, James again. Congratulations. Once again, you now have something set up, which would literally take most people more than a month to set up. With this new technology, you are ready to go in just a few minutes. This is it. You're done. You have a fully functional machine ready to go and traffic about to be sent. So there's a super valuable members area below, which has training on other traffic methods to supplement your traffic and all the training that you need to start making money online. So first things first, please join the Rapid Profit Machine Facebook community, introduce yourself, say hi, and share any wins that you have in there as well. So you can see the button below to join the group. And this is a really helpful community of RPM members. They've been through the machine, the training, and are excited to welcome you to the group. So you're going to see lots of people having success with the RPM. And I want you to post when you have a win as well. So once you have a win, once you've got one of the awards as well, make sure you post that in there. And then when you've joined the Facebook group, come back and access your free training, which is just below as well. And please treat this training like you paid $1,000 for it. A lot of people, they don't value what they don't pay for. So please treat it like you paid $1,000 for it, because it is worth 10 times that if you put it into action. So you're going to see other income streams you're going to get paid from as well. And then you have the ability to go through the training and earn even more. And remember, everything is set up. If you don't have the time to go through the other training right now, then no problem. Just send the traffic and away you go. No other system, platform, or program allows you to have something like this set up without another hour or two of setup. With Builderall, with the RPM, the auto tag technology, and the time and effort that I've put in for you, you can now have a truly done for you system with your emails going out and everything. So it's really, really cool. Like I say, I know you're going to love it, and it's only going to get better from here once you get inside the members area. A lot of time, energy, and effort went into the RPM and this technology, and it's taken a lot of tweaking, testing, and time to get it to this point. So I'm super excited for you. I'm super proud of you that you've got to this step. You are already ahead of 95% of the other excuse makers, and I'm here to help if you need anything. So let's crush this together. Let's make some money together, and I'll see you on the inside.